Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for Science 3, Quarter 3, Week 2, Day 1. Our topic for today is how size and shape affect movement. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. What makes an object move? Here are the following answer. By force, push or a pull, the wind, the water. Aside from people, what other things can make an object move? Wind can blow leaves and vapor. Water can carry boats and logs. A force causes an object to move. Pushing, pulling, water, and wind can make objects move. Lesson Purpose Intention. In today's lesson, you will explore two factors that affect the object's motion. Lesson Language Practice. Crumple. To squish or squeeze something like paper so it becomes wrinkled or bumpy instead of flat. Fold. To bend something like paper or cloth so that one part lies over another. Reading the key idea stem. Activity 1. What affects the motion of a falling object? Instruct the learners to read out loud the activity title and objective. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. Activity 1. What makes the motion of a falling object? Objective. In this activity, you will explore some factors that affect the motion of a falling object. The materials needed: 3 sheets of paper. Number 1. Get 3 flat sheets of paper. 2. Drop the 3 flat sheets of paper from the same height at the same time. Observe what happens. 3. Then crumple one paper. 4. Fold the other paper into one shape you want. 5. One member holds the crumpled paper, another holds the folded paper, and another holds the flat sheet of paper. Drop the 3 papers at the same time from the same height. Do this 3 times. Question. When you drop the 3 flat sheets of paper at the same height, did they reach the floor at the same time? Yes, they reached the floor at the same time. What changes happened to the paper when it was crumpled? It becomes smaller, it changes its shape. What changes happened to the piece of paper when it was folded? It becomes smaller, it changes in shape. When you drop the crumpled, folded, and flat sheets of paper at the same height, did they reach the floor at the same time? If not, which one reached the floor first? The answer is no, they didn't fall at the same time. The crumpled paper fell first, followed by the folded paper and the flat paper. In this activity, what affects the motion of the falling pieces of paper? The answer is the size and shape of the paper affects its motion. Deepening understanding of the key idea STEM. Have you ever seen someone jumping out on an airplane? How do you think they land safely? The answer is they use parachutes. What is the use of a parachute? A parachute is a big umbrella that helps slow down someone falling from the sky. Without it, they would fall too fast. It helps them float gently to the ground. Making generalization and abstraction. What affects the motion of a falling object? The answer is the size and shape of a falling object affects its motion. Evaluating learning. Direction. Read each sentence carefully. Write through if the sentence is correct. Write false if the sentence is incorrect. Here are the possible answers.
Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read, learn, observe, and have fun. See you next time!